Hi guys, I'm Phil. I'm an online fashion stylist and image consultant and the proud father of two very beautiful teenage daughters. Now I get asked all sorts of styling advice, but one of the questions that keeps coming time and time and time again to me right now as a parent is, how do you keep your teenager in isolation? How do you teach them to self-isolate during a pandemic? It's a really important question that you won't find in any parental guidebook right now. And I think I've come up with the simplest and most perfect piece of advice. It's so simple. It's mind-blowing. And I look forward to your feedback on this. My advice is so simple. All you have to do is wait till your teenagers fall asleep, and then simply go in their room and shave off their eyebrows. Because I can pretty much guarantee that they will keep themselves inside isolation until those bad boys grow back again. I actually think that advice it's pretty sound advice for anyone in your household, not just for teenagers. Wow. Anyway, that's my advice. Simple, but ruthlessly effective. Guys, stay in, stay safe.